Bringing out the kayak after some rain. Decided to check out Lake Lavon after 3 days of some heavy downpours in North Texas. Little overcast, but a great day to be out on the lake for sure. Try to get some decent drone shots before the wind picked up. We got some high wind warnings pretty quick, so we kind of kept it low and close. You can see the dirt coming off of that bank from the winds. Pretty neat. I'm about 250 feet up right now with the drone. And again, there was a guy out there walking his dogs, so I didn't want to get too close to him. But just a gorgeous day. Again, Lake Lavon, great place to go. Not too much boat traffic up in the northern parts. Lots of stumps. And boats don't like stumps. Kayaks don't either. Not the biggest deal though if you're in a kayak. And lots of fish. But didn't spend too much time. Like I said, it's been about 30 minutes out there. Just enough time to get wet. I learned to be a little bit better at logistics when I pulled the Jeep up to pick the kayak up. Had it backwards, so I had to figure out how to do that. Flip it around. It's interesting re-watching this because this part of the video, when I was doing it, it seemed like it took about 10 minutes. And it only took a few moments. And just a little bit of an issue getting this up because I was trying to record with the GoPro that's in my life jacket, so I left my life jacket on when I did this. And then when I tried to put the kayak on, my life jacket got caught in the middle of the kayak, so I got a little and I figured it out. But again, if you didn't know that happened, I didn't even see it, but I remember thinking that it was about 20 minutes of me trying to get that kayak up. But thank you for watching. Again, have a great day, and I appreciate it very much.